Studies show that 27% of fathers over 60 experience emotional distance from their adult children, often due to generational gaps and past communication patterns. This isolation peaks around holidays like Father's Day, when societal expectations highlight familial bonds. The modern nuclear family structure has reduced daily interactions, with adult children now averaging only 1 to 2 visits per month to aging parents. Neuroscience reveals that revisiting childhood memories activates the hippocampus, triggering parental instincts. A 2022 study found that 68% of fathers who initiated reconnection did so after encountering nostalgic triggers like photos or keepsakes. This biological response often overcomes the emotional inertia that maintains distance in parent-adult-child relationships. Psychology research suggests written communication reduces initial reconnection anxiety by 42% compared to calls. Experts recommend brief, non-demanding messages. Thinking of you works better than lengthy apologies. A UCLA study found that 76% of adult children respond positively when fathers initiate contact without expectations or criticism. Family therapists identify the first reunion as the most challenging phase, with 89% of participants reporting initial discomfort. Body language cues like crossed arms or lack of eye contact are common. Research shows choosing neutral public spaces reduces tension by 31% compared to home visits. The average thawing period lasts approximately 23 minutes, according to relationship studies. A 2023 Harvard study found shared nostalgia activates the brain's bonding chemicals more effectively than new experiences. Simple triggers like childhood toys or favorite songs increase oxytocin levels by 19%. Therapists recommend focusing on positive memories before addressing conflicts. This approach improves conversation flow by 57% in family reconciliations. University of Minnesota research shows genuine parental apologies reduce adult children's resentment by 68%. Effective apologies contain 3 elements: specific regret, I wasn't present; acknowledgement of impact, I know this hurt you; and no excuses. Notably, 83% of adult children report valuing emotional honesty over perfect parenting in reconciliations. Neuroscience confirms that being truly heard activates the brain's trust networks. Fathers who practice reflective listening, what I hear you saying is, improve relationship satisfaction by 54%. Therapists recommend the 70-30 rule. Adult children need 70% of conversation airtime during initial reconciliations. This validates years of unheard perspectives. Stanford's longevity study proves consistency matters more than grand gestures. Weekly brief check-ins build trust 3x faster than sporadic deep talks. Shared activities like cooking or walks reduce pressure to perform emotionally. Data shows 61% of successful reconciliations involve new traditions rather than trying to recreate lost time. After 6 months of consistent effort, UCLA research documents measurable biological changes, synchronized heart rates during conversations, and mirrored brain activity patterns. These physiological bonds, once thought impossible to rebuild, demonstrate neuroplasticity in family relationships. 79% of reconciled fathers report improved mental health indicators. Longitudinal studies show reconciled father-adult-child relationships often surpass earlier closeness, with 63% reporting deeper mutual understanding. The repaired bond creates a legacy. Grandchildren in these families show 22% stronger intergenerational connections. As the father embraces his daughter, research confirms what the heart already knows: it's never too late.